Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another synthetic wig review, and this video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me over this unit to review for you guys. This is Tianna, and she is a new release, a part of the Perfect Hairline collection, and I have it in the color 1B. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into the unboxing and styling portion of this video, and then I will be right back to give you guys my final thoughts and opinions.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. Let's go. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else. Let you down.
As you guys saw in the styling portion of this video, I'm so sorry, I feel like my softbox lights are about to blow. So the lighting is like dimming and then it comes back bright. Anyways, we're just gonna roll with it. This wig has the same exact cap construction as Outre's Ivory. I posted that review about a week ago. I will link it up here if you missed it. It is so bomb. The hairline, I mean the video was bomb too, because you know I did it, but whatever. Anyways, so the hairlines on these units, the newer units from this collection, are absolutely stunning. Like so good. And I was really happy when they finally released an everyday length for this collection. Tianna on me sits at about 14 inches. I feel like it is slightly asymmetrical in the front, so maybe these front pieces may be 16. That's pushing it. It's not super asymmetrical. You don't have that like drastic gradual line, but I do feel like there is a little bit more length towards the front, and I don't mind that. If you're somebody who doesn't love that look, just go in and trim the front two pieces and you'll be fine. As far as the texture goes, I would have to say that this is a very light yaki, leaning way more towards the silkier side. The density, however, is very high. It's not like super thick and heavy, but it is a nice thick wig, and I think that also having it be like a more blunt cut is also contributing to the thickness. There's not a lot of layers with this wig. It is not super shiny whatsoever. It has a very natural luster to it. I have not received any shedding or tangling with this unit. Since I did go in and style it 3 different ways and I was constantly, you know, combing it in different directions, I did get a snag or 2 here and there, but I really don't contribute that to the wig, and it was more so me manipulating this unit. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to be putting it in different styles, you may receive a few tangles or snags, but that it really is kind of like expected. Did that sentence make sense or no? Like you guys saw, I did go in with my trusty hot comb to make this unit lay super flat around the hairline and along the parting spaces when I was parting this wig, and that worked out really well. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It does have a slight bump, but I feel like that's just maybe how it was packaged in the box. So if you wanted to go in with a flat iron and make it, you know, super sleek and straight, you could definitely do that. Just don't go past 400 degrees, please, okay? I am wearing this wig glueless, and if I do say so myself, this blended like a dream, because when I was doing this little ponytail up here, I did not remember that it was not glued down, so it started to slip, and I was like, ooh, I'm tricking myself. And I did take my foundation onto a super dense foundation brush, and I went on the underside of the lace like I showed you guys in the ivory video, just to faux bleach the knots. I have not yet gotten the even tint spray. Why? Because the medium brown is sold out, and I feel like the light brown is gonna be too light, and I feel like the medium cool brown is gonna be too gray. So I'm waiting for the medium brown to come back in stock so I can snatch it. Anyways, if you guys do not have any lace tint spray, take a really dense brush, like a really dense foundation brush, put a little bit of foundation. Don't go a whole pump, just a little bit. Blend it out on your hand and then pat it underneath the lace, if that makes sense. I did show you guys how I do that in this video, so if you need to, go back to it for reference so that you can faux bleach your knots too and have your hairlines looking like this. I'm really like feeling myself lately. I don't know why. Having a really nice sturdy elastic band will help your wig lay super flat, and I mean like super flat. You cannot tell me that this is not glued down. You can't. Tell me, go ahead in the comments and I will like block you. So they do offer this unit in quite a few different colors. It comes in 1B 613, the cinnamon wine color that I had Sarita in, the DR4 golden amber that I had for ivory, and it also comes in DR4/tiramisu, which I think is like a sandy blonde color. I wish it came in a number 2, but the 1B is giving me 90s vibes, and I'm here for it. The wig does come with baby hairs, and unlike every other video, I am using them. Okay, and I think they don't look too bad. They don't look too bad. Don't come for me because I am brand new to this, okay? I did use a little bit of my edges, and because of the gel that I used, it really doesn't lay down my hair as sleek as it does the wig, because obviously my texture is not straight. Let me just touch back onto the texture of this wig real quick. Oh, it's funny, touch on the texture. Anyways, one of the main things that kind of like set off a flag in my head that this is a silkier texture was when I was trying to do this ponytail. I used a brown rubber band, but I covered it in black eyeshadow. That's why you guys can't see it now. But it was a brown rubber band. I took a little piece of the hair to wrap around it just so, you know, you could conceal the band. But because this hair is so silky and it's very soft, it wouldn't hold. I feel like I would have definitely needed to use some freeze spray and spray it and kind of hold it there. You know what I'm talking about? When you like stick the hair to itself. But I didn't want to do all that because I wasn't sure if I was going to take it down and wear it as a side part again. But I just went ahead and took some eyeshadow and colored it over my rubber band. It's not the cutest, and if you're going out, I would definitely try to use some freeze spray so that it looks better. But for right now, I don't care. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Comment down below with any questions or comments that you may have, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will turn on... what? And I will see you guys in my next video.